Elvis Presley conspiracy theories. Singer Elvis Presley was a beloved artist who died tragically young. And as a result, there are many Elvis conspiracy theories circulating on the internet. According to official reports, Presley unceremoniously died in his bathroom at Graceland on August 16, 1977. The official cause of death was a heart attack, but it was later revealed he had a strong concoction of prescription drugs in his body. Police did not investigate, and photos weren't taken at the scene because there were no signs of suicide. Yet, some have never been able to come to terms with his death. It has been a source of fascination since he passed more than 40 years ago. Elvis' death theories range from the plausible to the ridiculous. Many conspiracy theorists think he pretended to die in order to live a life out of the spotlight. Others think he's working undercover with the federal government. Superfans have tracked Presley sightings over the years and often present evidence they believe definitively proves the king of rock and roll still walks among us. Check out some of the more outrageous theories. 28 years after his passing, Priscilla Presley let it slip that she recently spoke to him. Many believe Presley is still alive because his ex-wife, Priscilla Presley, inadvertently told a talk show audience in 2005 that she recently had a conversation with him. Presley let it slip that she spoke to him while being interviewed by Oprah Winfrey. She was sitting on the couch with their daughter, Lisa Marie, and she said, "He too grew up poor," and that's exactly what he said the other day. Did she mean what she said, or was it just a Freudian slip? His middle name was spelled wrong on his gravestone. Perhaps the proof that Presley faked his passing can be traced back to his tombstone. His remains at Graceland are marked with a plaque that says, Elvis Aaron Presley. When Elvis wrote his middle name, he spelled it Aaron without the extra A. This led some to believe that Elvis wasn't actually buried there. However, it appears the king wanted his middle name to be spelled with two A's. Graceland spokeswoman Dana Yarmovich told the Associated Press in 1997 that Presley's middle name was originally spelled with one A to match the name of his stillborn twin brother Jesse Garden. The mob ordered a hit on him. Actress Susanna Lee starred alongside Presley in Paradise, Hawaiian Style. She heard many conspiracy theories surrounding Presley's passing, many of which indicated he'd been slain. Prior to his demise, Presley was allegedly involved in an FBI investigation and given the codename Fountain Pen. The case involved billions of dollars and organized crime, and Presley was allegedly an unwitting victim of the scheme. The singer was expected to provide some evidence in the case before his passing. According to Lee, the FBI was tasked with making sure Presley was safe. Some believe the circumstances surrounding his demise were suspect. A wax dummy was buried in his coffin and he's in witness protection. In 1994, a conspiracy group called the Presley Commission claimed that a wax dummy, that appeared to be sweating, was buried inside Presley's coffin. The group was convinced the king was being hunted by the mafia, and in order to escape he chose to go into a witness protection program. The commission said Presley's manager perished in the Graceland bathroom, and the wax dummy in the coffin was kept cool through an elaborate ruse involving hidden fans and dry ice.